All right, statistics question 4. This is a table in which the survey, it's talking about a survey, explored the relationship between gender and hair color of adults. And the results are displayed in that two-way frequency table. So the question is, based on the table above, which are true? All right, so we're going to have to go through, it's kind of 4 questions within one, but we're going to go through it quickly. The most common hair color among the surveyed adults, okay? The prepositional phrase like of or among tells you basically the denominator. The denominator is going to be surveyed adults. So is brown. So you're looking for brown, the brown comparison with everyone else's. So looking at this, if you look at the surveyed adults, there are a grand total of 60 people who are surveyed. It doesn't say male, female, doesn't specify, so 60. Out of 60, 10 said brown. No, sorry, back up. 10 of the males, 12 of the females, 22 of the people said brown. 24 were blonde, 8 were red, and 6 were other, which means 22, which is less than 24, brown is not the most common among adults. It is among males, but that's not what it asked. It said among adults, so you have to do all of them. So brown is 22, blonde is 24. That one is not true. Okay? Looking at another one. An equal number, remember the prepositional phrases, super, super important with these. An equal number of the surveyed males, which means you are looking only at males. Okay? And there are a grand total, by the way, of 20 males. All right? An equal number of males and females, go back, have brown hair. Females, there are 40. But it doesn't really even ask that. It just says it wants number. Does an equal number of males and females have brown hair? Well, let's see. Females have, females, 12 females and 10 males have brown hair. So that is not correct. So no. Part 3, twice as many females were surveyed than males. Well, let's see. We had 40 females and 20 males, so that is correct. And the most common hair color among the surveyed females is blonde. So if you look at the females, okay, out of 40 females, 20 were blonde, followed by 12, 6, 2. Yeah, definitely. Girls like to be blonde better, okay? So 3 and 4 are true. You'll notice down below it gives you different combinations, but C is the right one. All right, so for a redemption problem, take a look at this one. It's another two-way table that shows the relationship between student participation in extracurricular activities and in high school and college acceptance. An important thing here, do you remember the prepositional phrases that I told you? What percentage of students that participated in extracurricular activities, which means you don't leave that row, okay? And that's why it's real important that you look for that prepositional phrase. The last one was pretty much just frequency. This one, though, it's going to ask you for what percentage, which means of students that participated, that's the denominator. So use that as a hint. Good luck.